to the channel. So today is a pretty exciting morning for us. We have the KDM cruise today, and for people that don't know what the KDM cruise is, it's an annual event where all the KDMs get together and we go on a cruise. So there's always a different route every year, so pretty excited to see where it's going to be going this year. But we have both of the cars clean. We have the Elantra N. Emily's ready to go. We have the bracing put on from yesterday. We put the diffuser on yesterday. So the car's looking really, really good and nice and clean. We have the Veloster N right here, nice and clean. So we're really excited to get out. Hopefully we see a couple of more Elantra N's out, and hopefully we get to meet some good people. So we're gonna go and fill up on gas and get us some Starbies, and we'll continue to pick off from there.
Alright guys, so as I'm sure you know, we are currently en route for the KDM cruise. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit. We do take it by the coast, by down PCH. This is like the second year, I believe, that we've kind of done this similar route. So yeah, we got some KDM people behind us, which it's kind of hard to see. Beautiful scenery. It's a beautiful day today. I'm going to concentrate on driving because obviously this is illegal, guys, so don't do this. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit, and I'm sure Henry is too. We're very excited to just get out today and go for a cruise with other KDM owners. So yeah, it should be a good one. All right, you guys, good morning. Got my morning coffee, and pretty much I wanted to just close out today's video. Yesterday, which was the KDM cruise, you guys did go ahead and see a little bit of that with us, and that was obviously fun. It's always fun just to get out with other car owners and go on a nice drive. We did end up going through the canyons, which is why I wanted to give you guys a little update of the bracing that we put on from Ultra Racing. So if you guys didn't see our installation video, we did go ahead and install the front strut bar as well as the rear lower brace. So yesterday we did take it through the canyons, which was really fun. And what I will say is, already stock Hyundai made this car, the car suspension, really well. It already takes turns, you know, really good. But I will say that yesterday I did feel way more confident in my turns. I felt like I could take it at a higher speed than normal without feeling at all like I was gonna, you know, lose control of the car, or it just felt way more grounded. Anywhere that you angle your wheel, like if it's a sharp turn, it just felt like the car hugged that corner and just took it, you know, like easy. So I will say that it definitely, you know, did make a difference to me. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check out the link below. We always include like discount codes or links of companies that we speak about. We always leave those down for you guys to reference and do your own research, of course. So that's always there. And just be sure to give this video a like, you know, comment any just content that you guys want to see that you might be interested in us making. Let us know, and of course subscribe. It's free, of course. So if you guys like the content that we're putting out, make sure to do those things. If some of you haven't seen our other videos, we are going to SEMA this year with the Elantra N. So there's a couple more stuff coming for it, and we will definitely bring you guys along. We're excited to show you guys the journey and the transformation of the car. I do take this to get wrapped in about a week and a half, so it's very exciting. The crunch time for SEMA is definitely already activated, and we are trying to now just do last minute things here and there that we can. And I'm actually doing something really exciting this upcoming week up in NorCal. I can't say too much, which I wish I could, but not yet. But I will definitely include you guys in all of that. Henry will be taking some, you know, behind the scenes here and there. That way we could just keep you guys included. And the only thing I will say is that it's going to be great for our end community. And that's, I think, the most important thing is always just, you know, for the community. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. Thank you guys again, and I'll let you guys go now. So we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.